Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Jennifer Deel. This holiday season, give yourself a gift you'll enjoy for decades. A more comfortable, beautiful home with new windows and doors from Renewal by Andersen. I'm here with Lucy O'Shields, and in just a minute, she's going to give us details on a huge buy one, get one deal. It's not only Renewal by Andersen's biggest discount of the year, it's their biggest discount ever. So stay tuned for this amazing offer. Thanks for joining us on Showcase today.
Thank you.
Good to see you. You're a full service replacement window company, and your business model is designed to make the project as simple as possible for homeowners, right?
Oh, that's right. Our parent company, Andersen, founded Renewal by Andersen clearly with the mission to bring a better experience to homeowners and people out there. So one of the things that we do is we handle everything from the sale to manufacturing to installation and warranty. So there's never any middleman, there's never finger pointing, we're your only point of contact, and customers love it.
Now, what are the advantages to replacing your windows and doors during the winter months?
That's actually a great question, seeing that we're now in season. Things like drafts, leaks, and condensation are typically easier to assess and really address in those winter months. And wood around your windows and your door frames actually contract during colder months. And so this really allows us to replace those windows and doors with a tighter fit. And let's be honest, if you do it immediately, you'll have comfort that you can feel, and you'll save on those monthly energy costs. Yeah.
Good to know too. So you've got an amazing end of the year offer right now. It's a buy one, get one deal. So tell us about all the details.
Oh, it is actually our biggest deal of the year. Our biggest one ever, in fact. So you can buy any window, any patio door, any entry door, and get the next one 50% off. And with our special financing, you pay nothing for an entire year, so no payments, no interest for an entire year. And we'll give you that extra $500 off your entire project.
Wow, that's a great deal. So included in that great deal you have this month are your beautiful entry doors. Tell us a little bit about what makes your doors so special.
Well, just like our patio doors and our windows, we custom build our entry doors for a gorgeous transformation of your home, right? So we want to make sure it's really positioning you for not only comfort, but beauty. And unlike wood, it's not going to warp, split, or crack under those extreme weather conditions.
Yeah, like that. So for windows and doors to provide optimal comfort and security in a home, the installation is just so important. So tell us what makes your installers so special.
We have certified master installers that go through rigorous training. And so we absolutely make sure that they're dedicated and they're able to meet our high standards before even stepping foot in your home. All they do is our windows and doors. So that means they're day in, day out, year after year, they're installing our Renewal by Andersen windows and doors. So by the time that they're installing on your project, they have that experience, they're skilled craftsmen, and they're really experienced in that custom project.
So the first step in your process is a free in-home window and door diagnosis. What can folks expect during this appointment?
Well, we make it easy for you. So we're going to come out, we're going to assess your windows and doors from the interior and exterior. We're really going to show you where you're losing that energy on a monthly basis. We're going to take one of our acclaimed sample windows and we're going to go over the different styles and options, grill patterns, hardware, colors, all the fun things, right? So we're going to address your project with you and then really look at your budget needs. We'll give you an exact price quote before we leave.
Awesome. So once again, here's that deal from Renewal by Andersen. Now through December 31st, when you buy one window, patio door, or entry door, you'll get the next one 50% off.